What lifestyle changes can help reduce snoring?
There are a number of lifestyle changes that are very helpful to prevent snoring. One of them is to just make sure you're at your ideal weight. If someone's above their ideal weight, they're going to be more predisposed to snoring. Some other things are to keep the health of your nose and sinuses as optimal as you can. Nasal saline irrigation or just nasal saline spray with addressing any allergies that you might have. Maybe using an anti-inflammatory spray to control congestion in your nose. That'll give your body the best setup to have that air flow smoothly through the nose and into your lungs and really better sleep.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.